pastry था.
Ah, cake pastry. I thought it was like a puff.
No.
I'm under the water.
You're too much raining. You're too much raining.
अपना उंगली लो और मुंह पे रखो.
Bro, I love him. Just because.
Just because. Just because. पर निकलेंगे उसके जो खड़ा रहेगा यहाँ पे.
Married finance. Trust fund. 6'5".
Blue
Guys,
eyes.
this is not Hindi brain rot.
No one is interested in freshers. How to get experience? You have to work. How to work? अरे experience ही नहीं है तो काम कैसे करेंगे? जबरदस्त जेठा बिंदास भिड़े जबरदस्त
Cheta. Bindas bid.
चल साथ में चल
मेरे घर जाना है.
मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा. Hi everyone, I'm Sanjana.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
I am Zia.
I'm Srishti.
And we are
Besharam.
So, you know how everyone has this one comfort show that they like really love, right? And for me, that's Grey's Anatomy. And I know it's been around for like forever.
Yeah.
And it's just never ending. They just keep coming up with
Do
new
you think
seasons.
it's older than us?
It definitely is.
Is it?
Oh.
Oh shit.
It has. Oh wait, I think it's our age because I know it has.
not Grey's Anatomy being able to drink this year.
So I think it
No
has
hard liquor.
Because it's a hospital.
Okay.
Anyway, it's
Yeah.
okay.
just drugs. Anyway,
Yeah.
yeah, it has like 20 seasons and it's ongoing.
For sure, yeah.
Okay, and I really, really love that. But you know, we also have like this one show that you just hate watch and you're watching it for the fuck of it.
Emily in Paris.
That is definitely one.
Yeah.
But for me, which my current obsession is Too Hot to Handle.
Bro, no, I love that show.
Bro,
Oh,
I no, the
I
thing
love
is,
that show.
I don't know if I love it or I hate it.
Is it like Love
yeah,
Island?
yeah.
So all of these have a very similar concept
Yeah.
of them just finding the hottest people on the internet.
Splitsvilla.
Getting them-
Splitsvilla, hottest
Yeah.
and dumbest.
See, that's
Yeah.
debatable because some of them I like, but I just don't like the concept of the show. It's just very like mind fucking, and I'm like, brother.
But is
The
it
fuck?
American based or
Yeah, it's
UK
American.
based?
So they have people from the UK and the US.
Because
From- actually
UK
from
people,
everywhere.
like hot people in the UK who like get Botox and shit, like that kind of hot.
Yeah.
They're
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
blonde dude. Like
Yeah.
they are dumb.
They're
Yeah.
dumb.
So you have a mix of everything on that
Love.
show.
Yeah.
It's honestly, it's amazing.
Okay.
And for that 1 week, I'm just so hooked onto the
only 1
entire.
week?
No. They bring
like-
out all the episodes in one only, but
Got it,
then
got it.
sometimes it takes lesser than a week. Sometimes it takes like 2-3 days to finish the entire season because you're that hooked onto it.
Yeah.
And this season, they've come up with something new. So basically, they have this one cone who gives them instructions of what to do.
Cone.
It's
Yeah.
a cone.
Okay.
She's called Lana.
Lana.
The Oracle.
Yeah, she has a very
Yeah.
sexy, seductive voice, and she's like, giving them instructions and all. And the basic premise of the show is that they don't have to indulge in like sex, kissing, self-gratification for that
Yeah.
entire
But that's
time.
the entire point, right?
No.
No.
You have to abstain for that time that you're in the villa.
And you have to
Oh.
form a real connection.
Yeah,
with the
you have to
partner.
try to form a real connection, but let's be
What
honest,
if you
none
just
of them are
go
real.
to the washroom? Like there's no,
No, there's
camera.
cameras
wash-
everywhere.
In the
Everywhere.
washroom?
So it's
Outside?
pointing to the washroom,
Towards the
but like
washroom?
there's part of it which is covered.
Yeah.
But you can come to know if you're doing something.
Yeah.
Oh.
If two people go inside together.
Yeah.
Got it.
So all of that gets picked up on the camera.
huh.
Okay, so this season they've come up with something new, and she's called Bad Lana. So there's Lana who will give them like instructions of what not to do, and there's Bad Lana who will be like who'll tempt you to do things.
Okay.
Like, you know,
Like
you
good
can-
angel, bad angel.
Yeah, that's quite
Yeah.
literally the thing.
Is it like good Lana, bad Lana, or is it neutral Lana?
No,
bad
no, no.
Lana?
Good Lana, Bad
Bad
Lana.
Lana.
Okay, love.
Yeah.
Love,
Okay.
love.
Yeah, and what they've also done is so. I'm going to give a couple of spoilers, even though I've not watched the entire thing.
Yeah.
I'm on the 3rd episode of it, okay? But in the first episode only, they chucked out 2 people for already having broken rules.
Oh.
Okay, so
that
bad-
would not happen back then.
Exactly.
They would give them like
multiple chances for them to
till
blow up
the
money.
end. Yeah, and then
And, like,
give
just-
them a night
Ajay,
in
so
the
the money
street.
is
Yeah.
on the line.
Yeah, so,
Yeah.
so they have $250,000.
Each
and-
one of them.
No.
25,000 total.
20
Whoever wins.
250,000.
Whatever couple
Okay.
wins, I'm
Oh, okay,
assuming.
okay.
Yeah,
Got it,
$250,000
got it.
for all the members in the
Yeah,
villa. And so basically in the first episode, Bad Lana is like there are no rules for 24 hours or whatever. Okay.
So like, who do you follow, good or bad Lana?
I think
No,
you should
whatever.
because
follow
the money
good
is
Lana.
online, right? So if you break a rule,
Yeah.
you're spending money.
then
Lana
eventually you're
is
gonna
like
get thrown out.
Salman Khan in Big Boss.
Yes.
The host.
Yes.
Okay.
Or like Big Boss in Big Boss.
Okay.
Yeah.
And bad Lana is.
No.
Just a concept.
It's
Just a
just
new
a-
concept.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So, two people in that bad Lana phase, they broke a lot of rules. So the good Lana was like, I've been watching y'all and you'll have not been good at all. Because, of course.
Is this Santa Claus?
Yeah. The Grinch. Anyway. So they got chucked out and everyone's like, first of all, in the first episode, you haven't even formed a connection and why are you crying that they're
Yeah.
leaving? Oh my god, I'm gonna
they
miss
cried
you.
it all.
Yeah, everyone was fucking crying because they left.
As if you're not like. Anyway, I don't want to start
Yeah,
shame.
no, I get it. They left, and then you find out that these two are in isolation, and they have a screen where they can watch,
Oh
The
my
people.
god.
but they get to watch it at a price, of course.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they can choose to leave or they can choose to
No,
watch.
they're staying, but they can choose to watch or not watch.
Huh.
So if you
Okay.
don't watch, you're not spending money, but if you choose to watch, you're spending
spending
like
money.
15K.
Okay, so if you don't watch it and
You're
you guys
saving
are,
money.
Okay, and you guys are like staying together differently. So can these guys do anything? Like,
If they do, they're paying the price.
oh,
There's cameras there also, no?
Yeah, there's cameras
God.
everywhere in this villa.
bye.
Guys,
This is
has-
like Big Boss.
ये
this is
हुआ
like
था Big
Splits
Boss में
Villa.
पहले।
ये सब हुआ है.
Yeah, but this is just more
Under
people,
one roof.
more naked people, more hot people.
interested,
On
honestly.
dude, you
With
start
Botox.
watching it, you'll get
It's-
so hooked onto
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
It's the drama first of all. It's the accents. Oh my god, Lucy, I'm only interested in you, and then he'll go and fuck other people. Like, brother,
I'm only interested in you.
I'm not interested, but
You know
I'll
what?
tap that.
You know what he did to me?
Ew.
I should
Oh
not.
my
we are
God,
clearly,
though.
we're
Brother,
clearly not on Too Hot to Handle. We never will be.
Yeah.
But that show is just,
Uttam Karat.
huh?
What?
छान voice actor आहे उत्तम करात.
Okay, she said that in Konkani.
No. That was actually a comment on your Dadar wala reel.
Oh,
Yeah.
Uttam?
Like you're Uttam Karat.
Uttam Kharats. I think.
Karat.
Kharat.
Oh,
Karat
damn, ना
मतलब
काट दो guys, काट
truly.
दो. मतलब
still
फिर
not
से
done.
रोलेक्स हो जाएगा ना मेरा तो मेरी सच में नाक की इतनी छोटी बाकी है वो भी कट जाएगी. वैसे in my defense English में लिखा था. Continue.
Nah, but yeah, like I just really love that show, and I just cannot wait to finish the entire this
Finish
season.
no. Who's
Yeah,
stopping
yeah.
you?
No,
You
I
don't-
started-
You want
you know,
Netflix award.
I have, dude, I have that. But
Even I don't have. I'll ask my sister.
but I started watching it because I was genuinely interested. One, but then I didn't have enough time because we had to shoot, and I wanted to talk about it today. So that's why I like till yesterday till 3 o'clock I was watching it. In the night I was watching it. And then today in the morning also before coming I started watching a little bit.
That's why
we
she
just
Guys,
late.
we're really
Yeah.
working hard for you.
we're really
This was such hard work. She had to watch Too Hot to Handle.
listen, they'll start trolling us again for being unemployed. Just let it be, bro. Let it be.
Little do they know we're all employed.
No. I don't want to talk about my job. So,
But yeah. So yeah, that's
no,
one
but Too
fun.
Hot to Handle is quite a time pass to watch.
Too hot to handle.
No, it's
It's
very
one of those
fun.
shows
Yeah,
you
it
just put your brain to the side and be like,
Let's
Yeah,
just
and
watching
you
it,
know
true.
what's similar to that? Bollywood movies.
A couple of
A
them.
couple of them,
not all,
a couple of
yes.
them, not all. So
If
I
it's
just
a good Bollywood movie, now you'll be happy after you keep your brain aside.
yes.
Rock your Rani.
Rock your Rani.
Rock Your Rani.
Yep.
Yeah.
Keep your brain aside, but you will
it's
be
fun.
entertained.
yeah.
True.
Otherwise, you'll watch Dhoom 3, then you'll be frustrated.
Or Krish.
Oh my God, Krish 3, the last
Krish
one.
3, the last one. What the fuck was that?
What?
Bro,
Carl.
Golmaal.
That's
Golmaal?
top.
That's
grade.
iconic.
That's iconic
That's
to the
iconic.
max.
Yeah, that's
with
what
his
I'm saying.
finger like.
Yeah, like you keep your brain aside and then you enjoy these
Yeah,
kind of
exactly.
Yeah.
amazing movies. So I saw Bad News last week, like the day it released, and I have like mixed feelings about the movie. Okay,
Definitely.
Okay.
so the storyline, they do have a
Spoiler
storyline.
alert, babe.
spoil. I'm not sharing the storyline. I'm just saying that they do have a storyline.
She continued with, so the storyline. I'm not
No,
sharing
no,
the
no, no,
storyline.
no. I was just saying that. So the
हाँ,
storyline,
continue. Sorry,
like
I'm so
they
sorry.
have a storyline.
Yeah,
Yeah,
true.
okay.
Like the movie, they have a
You watched.
storyline, and like most of the Bollywood movies, there is a storyline. You know, like somewhere which direction this movie is going to go.
Okay.
And a lot of people think that these guys are promoting infidelity, which is not the case.
Okay.
It's actually quite a fun movie to watch. And then I see people are questioning Tripti Dimri for doing a commercial movie and her not living up to it, or just like people saying that she does not give main character vibes.
It's the people that are saying that Bad News is promoting infidelity are the same people that will be like, Animal was not promoting infidelity. I think that's the
Oh,
same
yeah.
kind of
Yeah.
person.
Yeah,
Even
yeah,
though
yeah.
I've not watched either of those movies,
Same.
I like literally know the exact
Yeah.
prototype of person that will say shit like
Yeah.
this. And I know you have, we have, all of us have met at least like 5 of the.
Yes.
I don't want to be like man hater, but like mostly men.
Yeah,
mostly
of
men.
course. So that's where I was going. I think in the movie, the most amount of screen time is given to Tripti.
Yeah.
And she's like the lead of the movie, the
Yeah.
lead of the story, and
See,
I love
men
that.
can't take a woman
is
lead.
why.
And I
It is not
love
a guy.
that.
It's not a guy doing murder. No,
It's not a guy going like dushum saving
See,
the girl.
first of all, it's
Yeah.
because there's Vicky Kaushal. That's why people have this preconceived notion that, oh my god,
He's
he
the
should
main
get
character.
he's the main character and he should get most of the
Yeah.
screen time.
I'm also
Yeah.
with that notion.
I mean, I'm
He
always
is hot,
hot,
but,
but like
not
keeping
seen the
that notion aside,
Yeah,
she was the main character.
She was
It's
the
the
main
movie, the
character.
storyline revolved around her.
Yeah.
fair enough.
So it's very fair for her to have majority of the screen time. Like, what are you
Men can't
expecting?
fathom it.
Yeah.
Men can't
Yeah.
fathom it.
Yeah.
And honestly, it was totally worth watching Tauba Tauba on that, like in the theaters,
Yeah.
on the big screen.
I've seen your TV at home.
No, still,
अंधेरा करके वही देख ले.
that is also like too small, and it won't like make you happy.
No, I get it.
Wow.
And I was the entire time when I was like the Tauba Tauba song was playing, I was just like this. I was like, Katrina, please let me your husband for 24 hours.
Oh my god,
That's the only
please,
only
I
thing
will-
that was stopping her. Huh?
Reality.
Yeah.
Only
I
Katrina
will,
Kaif.
I will not even touch him, bro. I just want
What
to
do you
look
want?
at him.
That you can
I
look at
just
him any-
want to look at
He's
him.
an
and
actor.
No fair.
I just want
Watch
to
a
adore
movie.
him.
You know,
no, like this.
Okay.
I'll just keep looking at him, bro.
Yeah. I think I'm going to give a very, very small spoiler, but there's this one scene where Vicky Kaushal and the other guy, they are decorating the
House for the baby.
the
A
room
for the baby.
the mother's room, okay? And Vicky Kaushal is like, if the mother sees hot people, the kid also will turn out to be like pretty looking and like, you know, very attractive. So they had pictures of all actresses and all, and there was Katrina
Yeah,
Kaif
yeah,
also. And the other guy, he's like, no, she's not going to see this. And he's like, isko haath lagaya to
ये
dekh.
personal हो
ये
जाएगा.
ये personal हो जाएगा. That was such a cute thing that
and
they
then,
added.
and then the other guy, Ami Virk, the name of the actor,
Yeah.
he goes and he touches like feet from the Katrina Kaif's photo, and he's like, "Peri pona bhabhi ji."
Like when in the
That's so
first
cute.
Golmaal, the guy that was Anthony Gonsalves. I forget the actor's name, bro. But the fake
I don't
Anthony
know.
Gonsalves
Yeah, yeah.
was like he went to
Ram Prasad.
हाँ he went to क्या बोलता है करीना कपूर and he was like अरे वो बहुत hot लड़की है करीना कपूर भी फेल है उसके सामने
I like
Yeah,
these
yeah, yeah.
subliminal like
Little
things
things,
that they
yeah.
put in movies is damn cute.
Yeah, like these references.
And you'll find these in these time pass movies only. Like,
Yeah.
it's so much fun to like just watch them like
Yeah.
without thinking.
but would you overall say that Bad News was
Bad news or
Worth it?
good news?
Yeah.
See, I like the fact that they introduced a concept which is quite rare. They had a condition. The mother had a condition in the movie,
Yeah.
which I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't know of, and even I, of course, didn't know about it. And I like that they highlighted that part in the movie, and it had a mix of like, you know, stupid comedy and
Yeah,
like
yeah.
some
But-
serious bits also. So I liked it from that
but
aspect.
again, they are not only talking about the, what do you say, the condition
Yeah.
that was there. So majority of the people are wanting for the movie to be completely talking about that condition, but it's not going to happen. It's a movie.
It is a
Yeah.
movie.
More-
It
more
needs
than
to
that-
sell.
More than that, it's a Bollywood movie.
Exactly.
Bollywood
There has to
commercial
be
movie. So
masala.
there has to be
Exactly.
some sort of emotion, some sort of storyline. And I really think they played a very good storyline. And when you when you go to watch the movie, the first person you're going to see on the screen, you're going to be shocked.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'll be shocked.
I'll
Yeah.
watch it.
You
I'll
should.
watch it.
It's like a nice
Giving,
one-time watch.
Yeah.
Ranbir Kapoor in PK in the last scene.
Yeah,
I
it's
did
similar
not
to
expect
that.
Ranbir-
that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Why
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
referencing other movies
Yeah.
only today.
Why would we do that?
I saw this one reel that said the best part about Good News was the Stree 2 trailer.
Street 2.
Stree 2, the movie.
Ah.
The best part of the best part about Bad News was the Stree 2 trailer. And I'm like, was it that bad of a movie?
No,
I
no,
didn't watch
no.
it, so like
it was good
Some
for
people
a
are
time
saying
pass.
it was bad. Some people
Yeah.
are saying it was good. But you know what was this week? Something happened and it was all bad.
what?
What?
Like, I'm sorry, I can't believe I'm going to talk about this. Cody Ko is cancelled. And I'm sad. I hope y'all are also sad. Do you know who Cody Ko is?
No.
I would be sad if I knew more about him.
Whoa, that's cringe. If you know, you know. No,
Okay.
people will know.
Okay.
Anyway, so Cody Ko is this. I don't want to make this racist, but he's a white commentary YouTuber, regular, straight guy, very like privileged kind,
Okay.
and he makes reaction videos mostly.
Okay.
And he has a big series with his best friend Noel, and it's called That's Cringe. That's why I said That's Cringe.
Oh,
Oh.
okay.
It's a huge series. It has
Oh,
like
so
over.
basically, he's like white Tanmay Bhatt.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yes,
Oh.
that's exactly who he is.
Okay.
And like one of these videos, like they have crossed all of them combined. There's like close to 20-30. All of them each have like upwards of 20-30 million views.
Oh.
Like it was huge.
So he's
Now,
like
I'm
a big
not-
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not
Reaction
saying that I grew up on Koriko, but I did find him through a friend, so my best friend, during lockdown. And you know what? How like I have like a soft spot for like the people I found during lockdown. I think all of us do.
Yeah.
It's like
No.
you're like
Helped us get
you
through.
helped me get through that, and I just. So recently it has come out that D'Angelo Wallace, who is like also a commentary YouTuber who is not friends with Cody Ko,
Okay.
has put out a video, which is first big YouTuber, which is a man, collectively thought that, hey, he's like one of the nice guys.
Wait, from this interaction, we could tell like he wasn't.
Yeah.
But that's because I'm telling you that he's cancelled. That's the prerequisite that I'm giving you, na?
He's
Oh
such a
my
green
God.
flag.
He's such a green
Oh
flag.
my god.
Now, we know another YouTuber called Tana Mojo.
Yeah.
Everybody
Oh,
knows
yeah,
Tana
yeah,
Mojo.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, we do.
Now, Tana Mojo, I literally grew up on. I should not
Yeah,
have been
yeah,
watching
yeah.
this.
Same,
We
same.
spoke
Yeah,
about it
we've
in our
spoken about
9th
it.
standard class.
Yes.
Like, Sanjana and I would like 8 o'clock in the morning, we're talking about me with a toothbrush. We had no business watching her videos.
Yeah, at what, 14?
Yeah.
13, 14, we were watching.
Yeah.
The fuck were we doing?
Bro, trust
We
me, I
had
could
math
not.
class to attend.
We had quadratic equations to solve.
Yeah.
And we were like,
Trigonometry.
oh, did you watch that 2-hour video that Tana Mojo put up
Yeah.
about the sugar daddy? The
Oh my god, I love that. I love that video.
I
I remember
watched it.
everything to this day about that.
I watched that video, and then the next day I
You came and you told it to
like,
me.
Sanjana, you have to
And then
watch
I
it.
started watching it and I went home after tuition. I'm like on my bed, like, okay, you found him there.
on an app in Las Vegas.
And turns out he was her neighbor.
Yeah, whatever.
Sure.
Anyway.
Y'all don't get it, but watch it. Actually, don't.
So Tana Mojo has a podcast. It's called Cancel, and she has been talking about this for the past year, like in passing. So Tana's the kind of person that was very young when she started YouTube, and she grew up very quickly on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Meaning grew up as in a person also, and as in
Blew
a
up.
creator also.
Yeah.
And for that reason, people don't really look at her with an empathetic view, because when she started at 16, people are like, this is not a 16-year-old because all her content is adult. So they
Yeah.
never looked at her as a 16-year-old.
And they probably sexualized her
They,
as well.
yeah, they still do, which is why nobody took her very seriously.
I get it.
And she's been telling people on her podcast in a jokey, funny manner that Koriko and her, hooked up when she was 17 and he was 25.
Brother.
Can you believe for one whole year, people were not like, we're like, oh, it's just Tana. It's almost legal. Like, it's okay.
Oh shit.
Bro, no.
It
no,
took
no, no,
D'Angelo
no, no, no.
Wallace to make a video about it. D'Angelo Wallace also was the one who made like the big video about Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. So he's big.
Oh, okay, got it. Yeah.
So
Again, grew up watching them, but like.
Yeah.
anyway,
Yeah.
so now it's like come out and like people who are not Cody's friends have made videos about it, but the people who are close to Cody have not. Especially Cody Ko himself is like completely MIA. He has a second channel which he used to post on every day or every other day, and he's MIA on there. He's MIA on his podcast, on his other podcast, on his main channel. Nothing on Instagram.
So he is guilty.
So he's
Yeah, for sure.
Because it's finally first like on Reddit, like his moderators were really censoring all that for the past year.
Yeah.
And now the moderators have like I think given up, because even on his subreddit, like his own like Kodiko r/Kodiko, it's all just like the allegations and stuff.
So 1 minute, when Tana came out with this, was she like serious about it, or
She
because like
basically, there's a clip of her saying, so yeah, haha, Koriko and I hooked up when I was 17 and he was 25, but like it was consensual. That's what she said. But again, that is Tana, and she also mentioned how like a lot of her trauma, she's just desensitized because
Yeah.
she has grown up with so much happening around her.
She had to
a
say
very
that
abusive.
because-
You know this, very
Yeah,
abusive.
She
Yeah,
had
yeah,
to say
parents.
that because she didn't want to get sexualized even further on the
Yeah,
internet.
yeah,
And like
yeah,
people
yeah.
will directly come at her, not at Kodiko.
Exactly.
That's why.
And even if she said that it was consensual, the dude is 25.
Exactly.
The dude
That's
is not even
pedophilia,
like,
That's
bro.
pedophilia.
Yeah, you should know better. Even if it was a woman
So,
who was
even if-
25, you should know better.
yeah, true,
Exactly. You should
true. A
know
25-year-old over a 17-year-old.
Even
definitely.
if you don't want to believe Tana, say you don't want to believe Tana, even Gabby Hanna, you remember Gabby Hanna? Okay, Gabby Hanna is another YouTuber. She was from Vine, and she actually lost it a couple of years ago on YouTube. It was very fun to watch.
Wait, was she the blonde?
She was not blonde.
Okay.
I actually saw a guy hook up with an underage, a big creator. She didn't take any names. A big creator hook up with an
Younger.
underage person. I went and told him that hey, that girl looks like she's old enough, but she's underage. And then Cody Ko, allegedly Cody Ko, said, I'm sorry, I did not know, and then proceeded to then hook up with Tana. This is all alleged. Please, Kodiko, do not sue me. I literally loved your videos for so long. 1 million out of those 50 million views is me. I promise you. But this is all alleged. This is all alleged. This has not been proven at all. This is all up in the air. Anyway, this all made me wonder that for the longest time, we were all like before the internet, before like TikTok blew up and everything, every girl was like, I'm not like, a lot more girls were like, I'm not like other girls. A lot more girls were quote unquote pick me.
Yes.
And then when it came out, everybody's like, no, I'm just like other girls. Right? I wonder if that shift is happening with men too. Do you think so? Like,
Elaborate.
like
Yeah, I
men for a while now have been like, no, I'm for women or whatever. Now maybe they're like, no, fuck it, I'm just like any other man.
Yeah.
Because with the Koriko thing, it's very heartbreaking because of the number of people, and thought that hey, he's one of the good ones, and turns out that he was not.
No.
Oh shit.
Anyway,
if what
so
you're
not
saying,
not all men, but it's always a man.
Exactly.
if what you're saying is true, that's
it's
we're
all
in
alleged.
for a
I
ride.
don't know, but to end this on like a slightly funny note, even though Koriko has been MIA for so long, he was seen DJing in Las Vegas. Yeah, and there is a clip of him. This is after the allegations came, after the D'Angelo Wallace video came out.
Okay.
There's a video of him remixing Sorry by Justin Bieber at the gig, at the Las Vegas gig.
He said, let me
Was Tana Mongeau
apologize.
Tana Mongeau was not
It's
there.
too late to apologize.
He said, let me apologize, but remix.
Bro, you know what's actually sad though? He could not play Not Like Us. He was doing a DJ set in Vegas and he could not play them Not Like Us. Imagine that. Imagine he just forgot about it because that's how he, I guess, he is, and just started playing it.
Like, okay, it's of course very, very sad. It's very like, it's a very bad thing that they're doing. But like, on the other hand, I'm just like, fuck, dude, this is what it is now. Like, I'm not
like
surprised
it's
by
gotten so
anything.
worse that we are used to it.
It's horrible.
I don't know. I don't want to be like, oh, women are better than men, but us four, just us four, as a separate entity, like if we take them, we are 20 turning 21. I do not want to fuck with a 17-year-old right now.
I don't even want to talk to a 17-year-old.
I don't even
Yeah.
want to fuck with a 20-year-old. If I'm being,
That's just you.
if I'm
I don't mind.
20,
Beggars aren't choosers.
if I'm turning 21, I do not want to speak to someone who's 20.
No, that's just
That's
a girl thing because we don't want to fuck with people our age. We want to fuck with people who are older because of the.
So they match our
Yeah.
EQ.
Are
Yeah,
you
exactly.
generalizing?
Yeah.
No,
That's how it is, I
It
think.
is like that.
That's how it is.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure.
My age is like fine.
Sanjana पकड़ेगा
तेरा तो उल्टा है ना.
Hey, chup.
Boop.
Our same age could be fine sometime, but like even if it's like 4 months, 6 months, a year younger.
See, now that
it's just like,
depends, man.
No,
Like, let's.
4 months, 6 months is fine. Nobody's gonna go to do the math.
Yeah, no one's
Like,
like,
oh, you're 4 months younger. I'm not fucking with you. No, man.
I would do that.
Okay.
you have the bandwidth to do it.
Again, beggars are
Aren't
not
choosers.
choosers. I'm sorry, you can afford to do that.
Yeah.
Whatever, that was heavy.
Yeah.
Well, you know what is heavy?
The rain.
Rains. Oh my god.
Heavy rainfall.
I'm under the water.
You're
too much raining.
You're too much raining.
But that's how it is, bro. Bombay is underwater right now.
Yeah.
It's the lost city of Atlantis.
It's turning into Venice.
No, I actually went, like when I was a little kid, my family used to live in Dubai, and there's a water park. Forget what the name is. I was so young.
Mumbai.
No, there's a water park, and there's a slide. Okay, it's like almost 90 degrees.
The roads. What a little extra fun put in the potholes.
I think I know what you're talking about.
It's almost 90 degree, and
Yeah,
then you
yeah.
go like it's very steep. Okay?
Shit.
You go down, and then you go into
you
a
go
tunnel.
underwater tunnel, and there are like
Andheri.
sharks.
They're like fish.
Is it in the Atlantis?
It's basically the coastal road, but like कांच का बना हुआ है.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Submarine.
वो तो डूब गई थी ना. वो वाली Titanic वाली.
Ocean Gate.
You know why would you,
You know
call it
that's
gate?
Bro,
Guys,
bro,
1 minute. What
no,
happened? What happened to it?
Drowned.
No, but underwater, what happened to it?
Pressure.
Abbe.
Drown.
No. That's where I hate to admit this, but I'm going to get hate again. But
Chal
like,
na.
it didn't explode. It imploded because it's underwater.
Yeah.
Sanjay, you're so fucking blonde. It's not funny.
No, she's right. It
No, she is
I
right,
know,
but I don't know why
I
she's
know,
stating
I
the
know.
obvious.
I knew it, but then when I read it and I realized it, I was like, ooh, that's right.
Happens,
It's okay.
happens to
Well,
the best.
I
Okay,
welcome the
okay.
hate comments. It's okay. Your family was in that
Your
tunnel.
family was in that tunnel.
I was in that tunnel. I don't remember who was with me. Trust me, I do not.
You were
have
probably
a record.
alone.
I don't think so. I was very fattu for that.
But like, you know how like we were in school and it used to rain, and then there used to be like this one message: today school's off because like
Yeah,
you know.
You know
It's
what's
raining
the
heavily.
best feeling is like when you're all ready. With your tie, your plaids, hairband,
Juta,
everything, your dabba in your hand. School cancelled. Oh my god. tie निकालो, choti
You know,
निकालो.
never in the morning.
TV.
Yeah, never in the morning
Heart
with the
attack.
TV on.
I know.
Do
Mad, mad.
Please do
Oh
that.
my god, guys, I found my hidden talent.
Sanchana does the best impression
Nariyal
of
Anna.
that. Nariyal Anna.
I do the best impression
3,
of Nariyal.
2, 1.
मैं हूँ नारियल अन्ना.
Namaskar.
नमस्कारम. मैं हूँ नारियल अन्ना और आज हम बनाने वाले हैं पेपर मशे. तो पेपर मशे बनाने के लिए हमको चाहिए पेपर, ग्लू और पानी. पेपर के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े काट के पानी में डाल दीजिए.
Can you continue? I'm hooked.
Yeah, okay. So I'll give you the tutorial off camera because I feel like people are more interested in the reins.
Go on.
आपको पेपर मशे के बारे में सुनने गए?
Bro, you think heart attack stopped because of global warming? Nariyal now is just underwater.
No, I think they didn't have access to me. That's why.
No, guys,
Heart attack
Sanjana,
season 2 hit me up.
There's already a season 2. I think there's like.
Oh my god, they should make Art Attack for like adults. I could do it. I don't know, bro.
Disney
They could
hit her
make.
up.
They could make something.
She's on to something. Let her cook.
Yeah, they could make like DIY shot glasses out of paper mache. I don't know.
Shot glasses made
Shot glasses out of paper mache.
Paper
Use
you're
and
just
throw.
having.
You. Oh. Sexy.
But you're gonna be drinking paper with it. I mean, not that alcohol
Just
is very good for
straws.
you.
Brother.
Oh,
We can't get the hate back. Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm not
We
saying
do
a
not-
word.
We don't have anything against turtles.
We
Yeah,
love turtles. We love paper mache shot glasses. Reuse. No, actually not reuse. Recycle.
Recycle.
Yes.
Don't even throw it in recycle. Yes. So like rains everywhere. It's like, you know, there's like a proper season to it. Like there's a proper month and everything. Like from June to say October, like a little beginning of October. But like in Bombay, it's like when you expect rain during June, it's like crazy garmi. And then,
Yeah.
you know, schools have begun, college has begun, you're started to work or whatever, like for all the people who like working and stuff. And then, अचानक से rain just decides कि अब आऊँगा मैं.
Yeah. For
सबकी
sure.
schedule मेरे को नहीं पता. हाँ. मुझे नहीं पता.
Beep.
But
मैं आऊँगा जब मुझे आना होगा. And then, like during school was fine, you know, like school used to get cancelled, college
Yeah,
cancelled.
yeah, yeah.
My school
हाँ
was
भाई.
never that. Like my school was in Fort, okay. So like rain.
not just joking. We would have preferred to be
Yeah,
ours.
yeah. We would have killed to be in a school from four.
Yeah.
So like good drainage because like navy stuff and thing. तो कभी flood ही नहीं हुआ.
Navy है वहाँ पर उनको तो आदत होगी.
उसका तो practice चालू होगा.
drill. Monsoon drill.
Guys, no, the Navy is quite respected. We cannot talk
course.
about them like that.
No, we can't.
Yeah,
we can't.
yeah.
So like my school era never flooded. So like कितना भी crazy बारिश हो जाए मेरे को कभी छुट्टी नहीं मिली है स्कूल से.
So you were the ones who used to sit in class with wet socks and like
Yes.
that.
Yes. Like you know, you used to go with.
I
like,
had a
with no
routine
socks.
down, bro. There was one hand towel and one extra pair of socks in my bag.
Same.
I can't deal with that.
Really?
Same,
I
it's
never
so
went through
icky.
that.
I used to.
You never went through it, like you were
I,
lazy.
I was lazy and I was like,
You
fuck
never
it.
wore socks to school during rains.
Yeah, you're
right?
mad or what?
Ew, yeah, you're one of those.
She's one of
Ew.
those.
Ew, I was never. You used to sit next to me. Did you not realize that I
That was
always
when
have
we
my
were
wet
older
socks
now.
on?
What did you do in second, third standard?
I had to sit in this wet socks. I used to stay in my own misery. Yeah.
So what my mom
Shit.
used to do for me, and then I got habituated to that. She used to keep like a fresh pair of socks in my bag, and then like I used to go to the school without socks, and then once I reached the school, then I used to keep my shoes like this so that all the water drains down.
Wow.
And then I used to hand towel, say clean it nicely, then wear my fresh piece of socks. But still, there would be like little water left.
Yeah,
in
of
the
For
socks.
the record, we went to school together. I have never once seen her do this.
Same.
Because we are not in the same class.
I
could
was.
see you.
I was. I never saw you.
You were best friends.
You
with
were my
them.
best friend, and then I hated you because you used to do that. No, I'm kidding. But
Yeah.
like, yeah, we were in the same class. I never saw you do that.
Yeah, but like school's out, college is out, and now there's work. There's no chutti for too
Work.
much virus. No, you have
Yeah.
to like अपना घुटना पानी तक का
Yeah.
what am I saying?
पानी है
घुटना पानी तक
घुटने
तेरा
तक
दिमाग
पानी है।
घुटने तक
दिमाग घुटने में है।
तो like घुटने तक पानी लेकिन ऑफिस आना है.
हाँ
Yeah.
And
बराबर.
like you can't even some people in like big corporates they like have like an extra pair of clothes to change when they reach
Oh,
office
baapre.
and stuff. Yeah. No, I've actually so
Yeah.
one of my colleagues where she used to work before, she's like, bro, I used to keep an extra pair of clothes and like juta, chappal, whatever in the office, and then if I used to get like drenched while coming
No, but that
to
makes
the
sense.
office, yeah, it makes
Yeah,
sense.
we
I
have
used to
a-
just change.
we have a shower and all in our office
अलग है तो. But one
मेरा नहीं.
one
with a
good
body
thing
wash.
I like about rains in Bombay is how reliable the weather predictions are.
Yes,
Yeah.
Because
so reliable.
If they
Bhai.
say red alert, बारिश नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा.
Just
होगा ही नहीं.
beautiful. Think of the opposite.
Yeah,
Yeah.
beautiful.
If there's a red alert, that's the day that you
You
make.
can go out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अच्छा बड़ी.
Make all
साइक्लोन
the
आ रहा
plans.
है साइक्लोन आ रहा
नहीं
है
है.
घूमने जाओ
हवा भी
निशानी
नहीं है.
घूमने जाओ लोनावला चले जाओ
लोनावला और जिस दिन सनी बता रहा है बस सिक डे
खत्म.
सिक डे ले लो भाई
क्या ले लो?
सिक डे
Sick day, हाँ.
सिक डे
मुझे तो लगा तू छोड़
मेरा जोक मेरे पे ही वाह
That's it. Like it's just so annoying that you can't even like
oh dude
know?
but the khich pitch it really makes you mad
what?
I
Yeah,
can imagine
Of course.
Exactly. Like your shoes are wet, your pant is wet
Eh,
up to your knees.
you
You're
remember
getting drenched in the rain. It's so annoying.
yeah
remember when we picked you up from work
oh shit
what happened so we were
shit.
stuck in traffic and Ritika some guy tapped on Ritika's shoulder
Oh yeah. So I was waiting outside of my office.
and
These
it's
two guys were
raining
coming to
okay.
pick me up.
Okay.
Okay.
it's raining
Man
I
was
am-
dedicated.
Yeah, man. I'm like annoyed with my chhatri. I'm taking care of my bag and stuff, and like I'm waiting for these guys to arrive.
it's a crowded place for
Yeah, it's like a corporate area. So like there are a lot of people over there, and I'm just standing outside of the gate waiting for these two. And there's this one guy, and he comes up to me and he's like, "Do you know the bus to Powai?" I'm like, "I don't know." And
do you know the bus do you know it personally
Yeah.
Do you know it?
And I'm like,
it's
"Do
your
you-"
friend
the bus driver your friend
Yeah.
I'll just call him and ask.
Yeah.
And then
तेरे लिए पूछ के आती हूँ.
and then he's like, "Do you know from where can I go to Powai?" I'm like, "I really don't know." And he's
Brother,
like,
get
"It's
the
fine.
hint."
I'm new here too." I'm like, "I'm not new here."
Congratulations.
But like, okay. And then
Good
he
for you.
like puts his hand out for a handshake, like,
Ew.
give me your hand. And he's like, "Say hi, I'm Akshay."
Hi, I'm Akshay.
And I'm like,
oh wait was that his actual name
"Yeah." No, it was something from A. I don't remember.
Okay.
It was
okay,
an
okay.
insignificant. I don't remember. I don't
Okay.
remember his name. But he was like, "Hi,
did
I'm
you
Akshay."
did you touch his hand
No, I just went like,
Brother,
my
why would you
God."
do that? You should have just been like,
Hi, namaste.
नमस्ते हमारे भारत के
social
संस्कार हैं.
distancing
And I'm like, "Hi," and he's like, "What do you do?" And I'm just looking at him like,
तेको क्या चाहिए
and then he's like, "Where do you want to go?" And
अरे?
I'm like,
to your home
I don't think-
मुझे पवई जाना है, तुझे क्या जाना है? चल साथ में
मुझे
चल.
मेरे घर जाना है
मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा.
and then I'm just looking at him dead in the eye, and I'm like, "I don't think I want to talk to you." And I just
Love.
walk off.
obsessed
And he's like,
Slay.
"Oh, okay." And then he just walks off. And he's like
As he
standing
should.
right there. And it was so awkward for them, and I loved it.
You know,
Slay.
I loved
a
it.
very similar thing happened to me. I was at Causeway, okay? I'm like doing my own thing, like shopping. You know, I don't need to be bothered when I'm shopping at Causeway because I need to
It's
get like the
stressful.
best. Exactly. This guy, I don't know from where he spots me. He crosses the road, comes to me, and he's like, "Hi, I've been seeing you for some time now." I got chills at that moment. I was like, I held on to all my belongings so tight. I'm like, yes.
your
Tell me.
purse with
I am
100
listening.
rupee
Yeah.
note
I can't let that 100 rupees go. I have to go back home. And then he's like, I would like to take you out for coffee
oh
someday.
fuck you
Oh my god.
I
Nuh-uh.
had chills down my fucking spine.
Yuck.
I was like, what? Me? No. No, brother, no. And he's like, I said, no, I don't think I'm interested. I'm not interested. And he's like, okay, but can we be friends? Can we share our Instagram? I'm like, Arey bhai,
Fucking vomit
No,
into
this
can
is
you
not
leave me
conversation.
alone? And then he saw me. He saw me walking out, and I'm like, I want to go home.
That's literally giving me the creep.
Yeah, but you know,
I'm
guys.
physically like uncomfortable even right now.
Yeah.
I-
That's
Kodiko ass.
that simple conversation was enough to like give me the creeps.
Yeah, this one guy, he didn't even have a conversation with me. He just sent me a pastry and then
Huh?
yeah.
Where was
Were you
this?
in the restaurant with
Yeah.
him? Okay.
Yeah, and I was with another guy.
Oh.
Okay, so that's the equivalent of sending a drink at a bar. But
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
just weird if you're not at a bar and send fucking pastries to someone. Like, you have a sweet tooth, take. You look like you have a sweet
ऊपर
tooth.
से I'm lactose intolerant. Yeah, छोड़
पेस्ट्री में लैक्टोज नहीं होता और ठीक है
होता है
सी क्या होता है भाई बता क्या
Cream.
भेजा भेजा क्या था उसने
pastry
केक पेस्ट्री आई थॉट इट वाज
Yeah.
लाइक अ पफ
No. She just said if you have a sweet
no
tooth.
you made a face like
The sushi face. Yeah.
So yeah, he sent that and then I had it and then मैंने पूरा खा लिया भाई.
And then reject.
And
then reject.
Then be like,
And then he asked me.
actually.
He asked me for my number and I gave someone else's number.
good I always give one number off because
I think you should just give like 987654
3-2.
321. Just 0.
अगर जीरो है नौ नंबर तो जीरो लगा दे वरना मत लगा तेरे पे डिपेंड करता है
Yeah.
But it's very annoying when like all of this happens when it's raining.
Why kasht?
dude
Matlab,
anything listen
First of all, it's an inconvenience for you also now. Why are you adding to someone else's inconvenience by asking like, hello, I'm Akshay. Which I don't give a fuck if your name is Akshay. Get the fuck
I'm
out of
like
my face.
both of us are getting drenched here
Yeah, and you want to make a love connection with me right now. Like, brother, get the fucking hint.
I think guys need to watch more chick flicks because this is not the meet cute that we wished for.
Yeah, this is not a
When we
Wattpad
say
story.
we
Please
like
stop.
rom-coms, this is not what
This
we
is
mean.
not
That's
it.
Yeah.
none
Not
of
it.
the movies that I've seen and liked have started like this.
yeah
This is a story
None of
to
them.
like a Jeffrey Dahmer series or something.
Ooh, yeah. I love true crime. That's exactly what it is.
Yeah.
That is exactly what it is. Do not talk to strange men out in public. Women.
They know.
they know
Oh yeah,
We
they
know.
for sure know.
They
I'm
know.
sorry, who am I teaching?
Yeah.
Teach
Men
men.
don't talk to
men
women.
don't talk to women you don't know
You know, yeah, you don't know. Like, okay, I can bet you more than 80% of the time they don't want to talk to you. If they seem uninterested पहले से ही ना.
take the hint and walk off
Just
Yeah.
like read the room.
अपना
man.
उंगली लो और मुंह पे रखो
Bro, I love him. I literally am obsessed with that guy.
I'm
So
obsessed with the
for
Baba.
context,
I just want to go to one of his whatever the shows
Shows.
that he has.
he's
Pravachan.
he's so
Satsang.
Travis Scott with his shows.
Yeah, man. I don't know if you have seen that video of him coming out of a building and he's just like jumping and
Tell-
running. That is so hilarious.
Tell
And I'm
them
like,
what
pop
you're
off.
talking about.
Oh my god, yeah. So there's this Baba on Instagram who just gives free life advice.
and it's
And
so
it's iconic.
yeah
He is such an icon for it.
I
Even-
love
you don't
it.
have to. Please don't take his advice. Actually, do what you want
Men,
with it.
take
But
this.
like men,
No, but
But-
his advices, some of them really slap.
I love how it has become a template now. It's going to be his video on top. नीचे Subway Surfer gameplay चल रहा है. And you know
you
you're gonna
need the
watch
double. You need the double stimulation.
I watch the whole thing because even if it's boring now, that's Subway Surfer
it's gonna
stimulation.
keep me hooked
Yeah.
It's like okay, he's going up and down the train, and then that guy is like in your ear, like
That's Subway Surfer's ka tune.
Why are you talking about Subway Surfer?
no, the audio is about the Baba.
Yeah.
there's no
I
audio.
know. the
ग्रीन
audience
कार्ड
Baba.
चाहिए कि नहीं आपको आप पता है आपके पापा कौन है
My favorite one is कोई आपसे प्यार क्यों करेगा? क्यों ही करेगा
No,
भाई?
no, no.
क्यों ही
My favorite
करेगा?
one has to be this girl, this lady. She was talking और इसने whatever, she said something कि हम लोग आपके लिए बहुत टाइम से रुके, हमें पता नहीं था कि आप आज आने वाले हो. तो this guy is like, आप कहाँ से हो? महाराष्ट्र से. तो ये एक बाबा बोलता है कि अच्छा मराठी में कुछ बोलकर बताओ. वो मराठी में कुछ तो 2 लाइन बोला उसने. And then he tried to reply in Marathi. He does not know Marathi. He's like literally anda gunda na pani bola usne.
That's not even Marathi. That's a slur for South Indian languages.
Yeah.
No, basically I'm saying he said gibberish.
He said
no,
something
Acha,
like
he said
that, not
something.
Marathi.
Acha, so
To
you are being
sound-
stereotypical.
No, that's how you say gibberish in Hindi. Anyway,
Okay.
so he said something that was supposed to sound like Marathi, but
Marathi.
like now we know how to speak Marathi, so we were like, whoa, what is he saying?
We do, Sushi
And then
doesn't.
the lady, she was like, "Aau kya?" And the video cuts.
What?
Aau kya? Aau. She wanted
Yeah,
to say
yeah.
aau kya waha,
Uh-huh.
but the video cuts said aau kya. It's so good. So yeah, I don't watch it.
There's this one video where this woman is complaining about her husband's drinking problem.
Yeah.
And then he's like, husband किधर है आपका? तो she's like इधर ही. And then he makes him stand up. And he's like, क्या पीते हो आप? And
हमें भी चाहिए
the
जरा.
husband is like, he said something like Royal Stag or something. And then the Baba's like, अगली बार हम साथ में ही पियेंगे.
Oh,
Oh,
I was right.
बाप
I was
रे.
right. Shit, I was right.
He is. Oh my
And
God.
then one video I
this
saw.
this Baba like to get lit. Do you think? Vote
For
down in the
sure.
comments. Do you think
For
Baba
sure.
likes to get lit?
I saw this one video where there's this like one girl, and then her mom had come with her, and the mom was like, she hits us.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
हाँ, तो
मेरे
standard
मामा
kid
की
ना?
एक लड़की थी, वो उसने उसको देखकर मैंने बाबा मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है. It is so good. It is
Oh,
gold.
that was too accurate.
It was me. Bro, this is why I always say I always will be a firm believer of the fact that you bring whatever skibbity riz edging, you cannot compete with Indian brain rot. Indian brain rot is part of our culture.
I love it.
I love it.
So
It's so good. It's like part of my.
Just because.
Just because.
Just because.
No, honestly, like I cannot live without it.
Yeah.
Indian
I feel
yeah.
sad for people
I-
who don't consume this kind of content.
Yeah.
It's like, क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
I feel bad for people who can't talk Hindi and don't live in India.
Yeah. Yes.
Like, even if it's
Yes,
bad,
like-
broken Hindi, Marathi,
Like, bro,
just speak it, man.
Yola,
It,
missing
your
out on
your
so
life will be
much.
changed.
Yeah.
It's so fun.
like imagine,
I'm so passionate about this. Suddenly, I'm getting this passion. I don't know where.
like imagine just like one of us goes like levels up के निकलेंगे.
बोला लाओ तो ये निकलेंगे.
पर निकलेंगे उसके जो खड़ा रहेगा यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
क्योंकि फॉरएवर में सिर्फ 2 चीजों का बिजनेस है, एक खड़ा रहने का और दूसरा अड़ा रहने का.
How much
बिल्ला शॉट है बिल्ला शॉट.
पत्थर पे पत्थर मारे तो
चिंगारी निकलती.
निकलती.
Guys, people will literally tap off. I swear. I know we are passionate about it. I don't
Yeah.
think they are.
I think they will also love it.
Yeah. I hope so.
We need a job.
Sanjana is
Babe.
crying.
Like, I'm not even kidding when I say the job hunt has made me depressed. And it's
My
Indian
job
brain
has made me
rot.
depressed.
You at least have one. Sister, you at least have one.
Yeah.
I don't.
No, it's
No, but
quite,
like-
it's quite fun actually.
No, exactly. So, I'm currently in a post-college phase of my life where I'm on the job hunt.
I have a hack around that.
Willy-nilly.
Please give me.
Continue studying like me. I am scared
No,
of
I-
not being a student anymore. I will continue
I'm
studying.
trying to face the real world, as cringe as that sounds. Not cringe, but like it's very ballsy of me.
Brother, ooh.
But yeah, it's just like so draining and so taxing because you go on LinkedIn every day. It's like part. You know how your morning routine has shifted from like going on Instagram to like people say, oh, now you look at emails. It's true.
Yeah,
It
it's very
happens,
true.
and
It's very
I have become that.
Oh.
I open my email in the morning and see no job updates. Then I go on LinkedIn. Hope to see something there, but no.
Nothing.
You just got
people
7.
bragging.
You just got 7 searches or whatever
Yeah,
today.
yeah, yeah.
That's the most. That's the highlight of my day.
7 people wanted to look at you.
7 people looked up your profile or whatever the fuck that is.
And
Yeah.
That was fucked off.
And then there are people who flirt with you on LinkedIn also.
Oh, babre.
Haven't you all gotten that?
No.
Yeah.
There are these weird fucks who are like, oh, congratulations on your new job. What is your name? Would you like to come for coffee? My name is already there, and no, I don't want to come for coffee.
So on
Thank
my
you.
LinkedIn, it's just been like I've been working with this firm that I've been working for 2 years now. So it's written there since like establishedly working at
Establishedly is written.
no, like from this amount of years.
Okay.
So then like there's this date. So after every a year passing to the date, it's like celebrated like your work anniversary on
Yeah.
the LinkedIn.
Yeah.
And then everyone in your circle, they gets a notification.
Yeah.
So I get like random people's message requests like saying, "Oh, congratulations on your work anniversary." Like, bro, first of all, I did not ask for it. Second of all, if you have a better job for me, then give it to me.
Yeah, and see,
Don't-
I
don't
understand you're
flirt
trying
for
to, I
time
kind of
pass, yeah.
expand your network and like your social circle and
Yeah.
like your connection or whatever. But like, bro, if it's LinkedIn, then have a professional approach to it now. Like, why you flirting on LinkedIn with me? Like, I'm not
I
interested
did
in
stalk
that.
somebody on LinkedIn this week.
See, that's a very good tip. If you're looking for like a guy and like little like
Exactly.
finance, bro. No.
Look for
Finance.
married
Little
finance. Trust
Trust
fund.
fund.
6'5".
6'5", blue
Guys,
eyes.
this is not
Anyway.
Hindi brain rot.
No.
It's okay. It's okay.
Brain rot. All brain rot is treated equally on Besharam podcast.
Yes.
But yeah, and then there's a second part of it where you're like, you come to the like, God forbid you get an interview.
God
Yeah, because like you don't get it only. No one is interested in freshers. How to get experience? You have to work. How to work? अरे experience ही नहीं है, तुम काम कैसे करेंगे? So it's like a vicious, endless cycle. And then, if you do get an
it's
interview,
like I apply for jobs. They ask me for work experience. I apply for a newer job. They
Yeah.
also ask me for work experience.
like what the
I
fuck do
apply
I
for
do?
job.
Yeah. And then so when you come to the interview, first of all, okay, fine, there are this structured like set of questions that they have, like, tell me about yourself, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. And then there are no, honestly, I would prefer the interview over a date.
Beggars can't choose.
So then there are these weird questions. They're like, oh, if Akshay fucked up, if Akshay and your team didn't send you this email, then what to do? Arey brother, put me in that situation when I'm in it, na. Then see
you
it,
could
na.
stalk them.
No,
Like,
what?
hey, send me
Exactly,
the email across.
exactly. No, I'm just giving you an example of the stupid questions they ask.
Acha,
Like, bro, how will I tell you in advance how I will approach a situation when it comes in the future?
But what does that say about the job, like
The
applicants?
interviewer.
No, job applicants. Like, are they
No,
that
I think-
incompetent?
No, they test your abilities throughout the spectrum. They're like, they see how you are. They're trying to get
Get an idea of
get an
you.
idea of who you are as a person. But like, bro, ask better questions, now.
No,
Yeah,
but
fair.
honestly,
Learn from Akshay.
From an interview's perspective,
questions.
I think these questions can like they have like, because these questions are situation based, they have like multiple answers to it.
No, definitely.
So so that's what I'm trying to say. Like, from an employer's perspective, it is easier for the employee to know if you're a protagonist, or
See,
how
I-
you look at a particular situation.
I completely agree with that. But
Yeah.
this was a bad example
Yeah,
of
yeah.
the questions that they ask. But like, what I'm
Yeah,
basically
I know
trying to say
the
is,
questions are worse,
like,
Yeah,
dude,
they're
ask
very
me
bad.
something
which is like
which
related to the
दम का
job.
पूछ ना कुछ.
Yeah.
ये क्या ठंडा question पूछ रहा है तू? But
Yeah,
this is
when
just
I
the
was-
same.
Two interviews you had, you were losing that after.
Yeah,
I'm
something very
done.
similar happened with me when even I was giving interviews for jobs. There was this one company that I went to, and it was a logistics firm, right? So then they asked me this question that they were dealing with like palettes, color palettes.
Oh, got it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Like paint.
paint.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So like they were manufacturing them, and then they were like distributing them.
Okay.
So like the company's job was like getting it from the manufacturer and like distributing to like a lot
Supplying. Yeah.
supply and distribution. So then when I went over there, these guys asked me this question that we have a truck which is ready to leave from Vadodara
Point
and
A.
point A, which is ready to leave from point A, and to get to point B, it will take like 21 days. And on the way, it happens to have an accident, and like your customers at point B are asking like, what will you
Where's
do?
the mal?
Where's the mal? And like, mal kidhar hai? So like, what will you do about it?
मैं खुद जाऊंगी वहाँ पे.
मुझे गाड़ी आती
पोछा
है.
उठा के.
I will walk with your.
मैं
mal.
जाऊंगी, मेरे गाड़ी में भरूंगी
हाँ.
सब कुछ.
So basically asking तू जो वसूली करने आती है या नहीं?
वसूली भाई.
वसूली भाई. कल सुबह पनवेल जाना है.
But honestly, all of this like interviewing for jobs, the job hunt process, it's very exhausting. Sometimes I feel like I just want to go home and watch some TV and chill.
Dude, that's the thing.
Most
na.
of the times.
बारिश में that's the vibe. चादर
TV?
लो, बेड पे रहो, टीवी देखो, चाय और पकौड़े खाओ.
Pakode.
टीवी पे क्या देखना है? तारक मेहता.
Okay, I have a confession.
Yeah.
बबीता जी.
Teppu ke papa.
अय्यर.
दुनिया हिला दूंगा.
आइए पधारिए टप्पू के पापा जी. आइए पधारिए टप्पू के.
टापू के पापा.
Like bro, stop it.
I've always said
show-
Sundar Gu. I don't care what the actual
What
name
is
is.
it?
I don't know.
That's
I've always
all I
said
know.
Gu.
Yeah.
Hmm.
No, but like, honestly, this show is on my TV in my house from morning to evening. My dad just watches it on the TV and on his phone.
But like
Oh,
old
wow.
episodes or new episodes?
Old.
Yeah.
Old ones,
Then he's the
bro.
G.
He is a G, but then
Then
sometimes
he's
he'll
the
also watch new episodes
I
because he's
have
so
a-
hooked to it. He's
no.
so like in love with the show.
Nah.
I have a confession. I've never watched Tarak Mehta.
Bro, take the L and leave.
Yeah.
Genuinely.
Sit this one out.
Yeah.
Please just walk
You
off.
go watch Coco Melon. Like
You don't know what it was like to experience TPL while
TPL.
TPL.
GPL.
GPL
Gokul
while
Dam
it
Premier
was
League.
happening.
Zabardast Jetha. Bindas
no,
Bide.
no, no.
Zabardast.
जेठा बिंदास बिड ओ जेठा और गोली का भी कुछ था
What?
like a गोली
Bro,
used to be
Jetha and Goli I think is my
The best
favorite
duo.
duo.
best
Same.
beef
Same.
best
Smart
bro
लग रहे हो?
bro the way that only गोली knows that जेठा likes Babita
Yeah, man.
it's so good
It just makes it so
Love
much
him.
better.
it's those little like nuances in a show that
Literally.
just lost now
And I feel like when like two characters on the show have like inside
Yeah,
bits,
yeah.
inside jokes within themselves, and no one else knows it, it's just
Like
so much
even
fun.
Tarak and Jetha, they like comment each other when like
Yeah.
Babita's around Tarak will like randomly
True,
say
true,
something.
true.
It's so
I
funny.
hate
dude.
how Tarak is the main character, like almost the second main character, and his entire personality is that he writes and his wife makes him diet food. That's his whole thing.
There's no character development for any of them.
Anyone.
no character development.
Nothing.
Nobody.
Literally,
And it's so fucking stereotypical.
Yeah. I
Like-
think that's one of the reasons I did not.
I was not properly represented in that show, and that's all I will say. I didn't feel represented
Yeah.
enough.
Same. Not even by the kids.
I felt like we were overrepresented.
Like 1 minute, why are they kids and so fucking enthusiastic about everything?
Bro, you saw this
Everything.
one. They're still in college, huh? By the way, they're
Yeah.
25. They're 25 in
And I saw this
college.
one reel of someone's birthday party, like episode में ही birthday party celebrate कर रहे थे.
हाँ, उनका
And it
पूरा
was
गाना.
so
गाना बना नहीं, वो बिल्ली आई थी उनके सोसाइटी में बिल्ली आई थी, उन्होंने बिल्ली को पाला तो वो बिल्ली के ऊपर गाना बना दिया. सच में 25 साल के
That's the
बच्चे
new
हैं.
episode, right?
That's a new one.
Yeah, you don't
The
fuck
new
with new
episodes
episodes.
are on some
इनको
different shit.
इनको interview नहीं देने क्या?
The amount of characters that have changed in the show. Even Goli
Brother.
changed recently.
Oh yeah, recently. But like all the other characters in like
The
aside,
history of
I think Tarak Mehta will lose its charm if they
Yeah.
replace Dilip Joshi as Jethalal.
Who's the Jethalal?
it has already
Already
lost
lost
its
it
charm
when
because
they
of
replaced
but, like,
Daya.
they're still-
Daya.
they're still
exactly
watching.
when
Daya
Daya
left.
left.
no, dude, they're watching
they're
it because
still watching
they're
it, but, like,
watching it
if
because
they
of the emotional
replace-
connect.
Fair,
Yeah.
but like if they remove Dilip Joshi as Jethalal, I think it's
True.
the end of
True,
TMQ.
true, true,
And
true,
I
They
don't
true.
shouldn't
think so.
make any more episodes, I think.
And
No,
I
I
don't
get
think
it.
so. Tarak Mehta will remove Dilip Joshi. I think Dilip Joshi will leave eventually.
But he is very like
Good
close
friends
with the director.
Yeah.
Yeah.
then
And
maybe,
yeah,
maybe
but
not.
like,
But, like-
honestly, Goli leaving will be
I
a very
know.
close
An end
second
of
to
an
Jethalal
era.
leaving.
Exactly, right?
Yeah.
Because of just the connection that they had,
Yeah.
I will miss that.
I know.
Exactly.
Because it was so subtly put, and it was like you're just rooting for those little pockets of beef. It's not really like they won't say
It's like a
it
nice tiff.
overtly.
Yeah.
Goli,
But you know-
bada masti nahi.
Goli bada masti
nahi.
Uncle,
Forever be iconic.
uncle.
Smart lag rahe
Bro, you know, we used to literally pinch it.
Yeah, I was about to
so
say
funny.
it. It was so fun. But like Goli is my favorite among the kids.
Yep. I hate Tappu. I hate
1 second.
Tappu was a
Hold
character.
on, hold on, hold on.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of us. Wait. On the count of 3, okay?
One,
One,
two,
two,
three.
All fixed.
Why was it called Tappu Gang?
Tapu
Tappu Sena.
Tappu
Tappu
Sena.
Sena.
Sorry, why was it called
Tappu gang. Aye badi.
They're
Chapli.
like throwing gang signs.
They are like mafias from Italy, like Kokul Dham.
No, Italy, no.
Dude, Tappu-
Gokulam, yes.
भाई
Tappu
सोनू
Sena?
नाम है सोनू टप्पू कौन सा माफिया में सोनू टप्पू रहता है
But Tappu Sena is like Mauchi Maitrini.
but no
yeah.
But like, no, I wouldn't want us to be
yeah
like that, you know?
Nuh-uh.
imagine Mao Sena
Ew,
Imagine
oh my
being
God.
in college
It's like-
still. Not me roasting myself. Guys, I graduated, okay? I'm getting my master's.
she graduated she did not
Anyway,
no but yeah Goli
Kohli was sad.
Goli yeah
I
without
miss
it
him, man.
see honestly the new episodes of course were like
Shit.
tanking downwards yeah I'm trying not to get cancelled on our 8th episode Ritika but yeah like him leaving will just be the icing on the cake finally they've gotten Popatlal's wedding to happen which I don't know will happen again or no because
It's a whole
It's
it
all
always
the time.
they always
As
come
you
to
said,
the
there's
point
no character development.
yeah
Yeah.
literally
They should probably get him married on the show now.
no they should get him married and fucking send him off
They should
somewhere.
kill him.
Bro.
what
They should kill the character. Characters die all the time.
true
Okay, like that.
What?
Yeah,
They
they
should kill him.
they should send him with his wife somewhere.
Somewhere,
What the
yeah.
hell?
Honeymoon पे गए वहीं पे बस गए. खत्म.
भाई
दया अहमदाबाद गई थी अब तक वापस नहीं आई.
exactly
हाँ.
भाई हनीमून से याद आया
हनीमून से याद आया अरे वाह. Naughty.
Chapley
नहीं
picha picha
She won't understand.
oh yeah
So, honeymoon se yaad aaya, I saw this one wedding photographer's reel where he was speaking on a podcast about some Indian Bollywood superstar's wedding. So this wedding photographer, he's Vishal Punjabi, and he's like a very famous wedding photographer, cinematographer. Okay,
Punjabis are good at
Tomato.
wedding.
they know to party
Partition.
अरे बाबा, his last name is Punjabi. That's all.
Roshan
God.
Roshan Taddan
Taddan
Kelo
Kelo
Kelo.
तारक मेहता से निकाल के बाहर लाई तुम लोग वापस उधर ही लेके जा
we
रहे हो।
love TM KOC
अलग एपिसोड करेंगे
के OC बोला भाई OC बोला
नहीं, but you love.
very
TM
much.
KOC.
चल बोल.
So in his podcast he was talking about this one Bollywood couple where the guy after just like 2 days after the wedding it has not even been a week and he cheated on his wife.
oh my god
And there's speculations that it's
No,
either...
no, wait. It doesn't end here. He cheated on his wife, and then the bride was like, I don't want the wedding. I don't want the fucking wedding. I do not want to see him.
natural response
Like, I don't want to do the, I don't want to see the wedding.
yeah
film
planning
or
or
whatever.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't want to fucking do it. And then the guy, he goes to in front of the bride and he's like, baby, I'm so sorry.
Oh, of
I
course.
love you. He starts
Obviously.
crying.
Cody ko ass.
Starts crying and then she eventually forgives him.
oh
Whoa, woman. What you doing?
And then
Acha, oh. I thought you were like sorry.
Women.
women
No. Oh my God, no.
no.
And then the photographer was like, okay, what about the wedding film now? And then she was like, I don't fucking care about the wedding film. Do whatever you want to do with it. So it's the only couple which doesn't have a wedding film. And then I was trying to figure out, okay, which Bollywood couple could it be? Because I was very much interested.
Obviously.
Yeah. Before like
It was
attending.
recent or was it pehle ka video tha?
I don't know. The guy said it now. Like he said it in the podcast.
It came out with it now.
It came out
Came out
recently.
recently.
But he was like, oh, once I had a client.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Acha lagta.
And then I was very much interested. I had my office guys mailing me at 4:30 and 5:30
Wow.
because we have international clients. So then I was not interested in that. But I was like, ye clip
I
maine
honestly
dekha
thought
hai.
it was like a topic of discussion with your employees.
Yeah, I was like, guys, let's get to work.
कौन है ये couple?
They're all on Reddit.
No, but next day we actually spoke about it in the office too, and we were like, who do we think it could be? So then, as far as like whatever from what I read on Reddit, it was like I've come to a conclusion that it could be Ranveer and Alia
Yeah, that was the speculation.
because only their wedding film hasn't been released yet. Earlier it was Ranveer and Deepika, but then they released their wedding video
Yep.
on Coffee with Karan.
Yes.
Then there was
Siddharth
speculation
Malhotra
of
ka hai.
Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara
I don't
Advani.
think he would cheat, man.
And then again, there's one more couple. That's Vicky and Katrina, who hasn't released their wedding video
But Vicky
yet.
and Katrina generally
did not
very
have
in
Loki.
very low key.
And they
Low
not
key.
have
Alia
anyone
is
use
not
their
the low-key
phones
kind.
in their wedding.
Yeah.
Nobody could access. Yeah, they all of the guests at their
No,
wedding
but Vishal
had, like,
Punjabi
not
did
use their phones except
did
the
their
photographer.
wedding.
Yeah.
Vishal
Oh.
Punjabi did their
I don't
wedding.
think Vicky Kaushal would do that.
I don't think.
I don't
Vicky
want
would
to
do
That
believe
sounds
that-
like bad
I don't want to
news.
believe that exactly. I don't
Yeah.
want to believe that. That's true.
Yeah. So Alia Ranveer is more
Likely, no?
Yeah, because they
Yeah.
are.
Ranveer
They've
is more
been
like
portrayed as that couple who
wipes
you know
it off.
Wipe that off.
Wipe that off.
Wipe
that,
off.
and then rumors about how they got married also as a shotgun wedding because she got pregnant and then
Pregnant, yeah.
whatever.
Yeah,
So
that
they are in
also
the
makes it
limelight.
more likely for her to forgive him because she was pregnant.
Pregnant with his baby.
Yeah.
That's
But I'm gonna be so
sad.
sad if it's Vicky.
I don't think.
Vicky, on the other hand,
He's a cute.
this has just
Me too.
become a Vicky Kaushal fan page. Even
Yeah.
last episode also we were talking about Vicky
Yeah.
Kaushal and we were gushing over it. I think the episode before that also. This is Vicky Kaushal if you're watching. You know,
Among
last
Radhika
time
and
Wait. I'm manifesting Vicky Kaushal to watch this and comment.
If
on
not,
it.
watch, at least comment.
at
Comment
least
on
comment
it.
because
Yeah.
he
Don't
came
watch.
on Tanmay Bhatt's reaction video na.
Yeah,
Toba
yeah,
Toba.
yeah.
yeah, we are
yeah.
so close to hitting the same amount of
Yeah,
viewers
we
as
are.
Tanmay Bhatt.
Yup.
Manifest for a couple of weeks.
Manifesting.
For sure.
Weeks, not months, weeks.
Anyway,
I think that's a sexy note to end on.
Yes.
Vicky Kaushal, no?
cheating.
Let us know what
Vicky
Vicky.
Kaushal
Yep.
is a sexy note to end on.
Yeah.
Vicky, yeah,
Toba,
for
toba.
sure. Toba.
No, why did I do this? It's
That
this.
is
That's Shiv.
Oh.
no, bro. It's all the same.
No, it's not. This is different from the hook step, babe.
That's the hook step.
It is different.
Yeah.
Anyway,
So yeah, we really hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you did, which you should, we hope you liked,
which you should.
which you should, you better do. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to this channel, and also follow us on Besharam on Instagram at We Are
And
Besharam.
Spotify.
And for the audio listeners, go follow us on Spotify and all the other audio streaming platforms.
Love you.
See you next time.
Love you. Bye.